Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to clear browser data in Microsoft Edge on your Surface Laptop 5. First, open Microsoft Edge, click three dots, go to Settings, then find Privacy, Search and Services, and scroll to Clear Browsing Data. And now choose what to clear. If you want to clear everything, then simply click on every checkbox. All data from the previous version, Media Foundation data, and now clear now. And it's done. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.